Willie B. So if you guys don't know, this is my little bro. He made it out here. And so you probably weren't on the channel in Vietnam times.
The channel?
Like, were you in any vlogs? Were like,
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the Vietnam nightlife one.
Also your Philippine vlogs.
Okay, he's been on the channel before. But anyway, so long story short, Will came to visit Parker and I in 2016 for like a month or something like that.
Yep.
And then after that, went home and got straight into Amazon FBA. And now he makes more than me. So he's got two businesses on Amazon, or no, 2 brands on Amazon, and combined they're gross profiting more than 100K a year. And he's stacking cheddar, doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Getting into FBA, like how did you do it, and like what have you learned? What's the secret to success? And like someone who's like thinking about getting into FBA, like what does it take?
So first of all, it's definitely doable right now.
Yeah.
It's not gonna ever not be. I swear.
Yep.
Because it comes down to choosing a product. You have to be very careful choosing your product.
Yeah.
So I visited Riley. I got straight into the FBA. I figured out what they were doing, and he didn't really teach me anything really. I just kind of researched on my own what to do.
Yeah.
And so first product was a failure. I didn't really listen to the people around me. People were saying no, like don't do electronics. It was an electronic item. People were saying don't do electronics, and I just got so caught up into it because I kind of fell in love with it. Like first mistake, don't do that.
Yeah. Electronics are bad, yeah.
So first product was a total failure. I lost money, ran out of money on my trip, went home, learned from that, and then immediately pivoted and did some more research based on what I learned from my first failure and found a product. And at that time I was out of money, so I asked my parents to give me $1,500.
Wow.
To make an order for 300 units. And with a little bit of luck, it started doing well, and just from then on, just invested the profits into more inventory. Did that a few times, and you just keep launching products. So
now it's $100,000 profit, 100,000 plus. Like per month, like he just told me he got a $17,000 check from Amazon. That's bi-weekly, and like maybe half of that is profit. Yeah. So getting fat checks from Amazon started from a $1,500 investment.
Yeah,
it's possible.
It's possible. There's definitely some secret sauce trying to figure out the product. It's all about finding the product.
Yeah, it's having a good product.
It's having a good product, and it's never not going to be a thing on Amazon. I will say the product has to be unique.
Yeah, let's move out here. So more about products got to be unique.
It's got to be unique. I would recommend that this design or style of product you choose to not be currently selling on Amazon, just so you avoid the direct competition.
Yeah.
There's plenty of products all over the world, all over the internet that are not yet on Amazon. Find a niche that's doing well on Amazon. There's already traffic going straight to that niche. Find a version of that product or niche off of Amazon or somewhere else and sell that version of it.
Yep.
That's been my secret sauce. There's ways to find that product.
Yeah,
that's doable.
Coming to my course. Coming to my course soon. I'm gonna refresh my course. I say the same things. Have a unique product, make it quality so it doesn't get bad reviews, and differentiate it any way you can.
It's got to be a great product. You got to be creative and marketing it and presenting it in unique ways, different patterns, different colors, different whatever sizes. And you have to be creative. It's the old ways of just selling
copycatting something.
It's over.
Yeah.
It's over.
Yeah. The same thing with all social media. YouTube's getting crowded. Instagram's getting crowded, so how do you stand out? You have to be unique and different. Same thing with Amazon. Yes, it's getting more sellers every year, but there's also more buyers. So if you can stand out and be unique, you can make even more money now because there's even more traffic going to Amazon. You just gotta stand out.
The Amazon method is never going away.
Yep.
It's about the product. If you think you're creative, I think this is a great business for you. I thought I was creative when I realized what he was doing. I was like, okay, I think I can really do well at this because I'm a creative thinker and I can come up with a product that's better than everyone else. And that's what it comes down to, is the product, and you can figure out the rest because there's plenty guys like Riley can show you all the other things. But
it comes down to, it's like I always say, it comes down to like doing the niche research, but also having a good idea to make the product stand out. And so there is a lot of creativity into it.
You don't have to create a product. You're not inventing a new product. You can do that. I would suggest not to invent a product, but you can find products off of Amazon that have social proof already, but they aren't currently selling on Amazon. So,
and improve it, possibly. If there's an easy way to improve it, you can take existing product and improve it.
There's plenty of products that are not on Amazon yet. Find those products that are already doing well with already some social proof and be the first one to launch it on Amazon. That's what I've done. All my products are the first one to be on Amazon. It's a winning solution.
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce.
Now he's killing it. Now he just bought a new Jeep.
Yeah,
he's like thinking about he just bought a new
home.
Thinking about a house, stacking money, and he's only a single person business. So that's why he like has so much more money than me, because I have 2 other business partners. Anyway, you can do it by yourself if you want to.
Yeah, I mean, you can hire people, you can do it by yourself, whatever you want.
Remote team, like you got VAs.
I'm a control freak. I like to do things myself. I'm creative. I like to kind of design it and present it how I want it. And maybe that's my secret sauce also. I don't know.
And then, so people are wondering, so like, how much do you work though?
How much do I work? When I'm finding a product and launching a product, it takes some time. But once things are kind of set in place, you're not working that much.
Yeah,
it's all automated. I mean, what I'm looking for now is how to manage or how to do more things with my time, because I have so much time now. I mean, I could be working and finding more products, but
it's a great problem.
It's a great problem to have.
I have so much free time. What do I do?
So much free time. What do I do?
Might as well come to Nomad Summit because I talk about it all the time.
Exactly. That's why I'm here. I don't know what to
My
do
brother
with
lives in
myself.
Thailand. Okay, I got no job. That's sure.
Exactly.
Anyway,
yeah.
Killing it. Boom.
Thanks to Riley.
Yep. Let's do it.
Living that life. We just living that life. Talking plus, living that life. We just living that life. You're listening to the Living That Life Digital Nomad Podcast. Hit the subscribe button on iTunes if you're a boss, and check out the YouTube channel for dope travel videos.